What Wall Street doesn't want you to know about investing. That's today's show. Let's dive into it. Hey everyone, I'm Clayton Morris, longtime real estate investor. Left my big day job a number of years ago to focus on financial freedom and helping other people build financial freedom. That's what this channel is all about. The vehicle that I use to achieve that is rental real estate, buy and hold real estate for the purposes of cash flow. Every month we get cash flow from our tenants. So today's show, I want to talk about Wall Street. The other day, a friend of mine was saying, it's amazing. The only people that get rich in Wall Street are those that work on Wall Street. And I'm reminded of that, the movie, the third in the Batman movie trilogy, Dark Knight Rises. When Bane goes to downtown, he goes into Wall Street and he smashes in there. And the guy says to him, "What are you doing here? There's no money here. There's no money here." And he says, "Then why are you here?" It's because Wall Street likes to keep that money within itself, right? Americans aren't getting wealthy off of Wall Street. Wall Street is getting wealthy. They get wealthy on the backs of you with the fees that they charge you to manage your money, right? Think about your 401k plans. Think about your other retirement plans. And just take a chance and look at the amount of fees that are actually hidden inside those accounts and how much they're being charged, every year for you to pay these money managers on Wall Street. They're making money on the backs of your mediocre retirement accounts. Now, the thing that Wall Street doesn't want you to know is self-direction. Wall Street will go out of its way to not tell you about self-directed IRAs or checkbook control of your accounts, okay? So why does Wall Street not want to tell you about self-direction? It's obvious, right? If you Google self-directed IRAs, you're going to find all of these ads from Wall Street trying to tell you that you can self-direct with them. But it's a lie. You can't actually self-direct with these companies. They will give you a buffet, sort of a smorgasbord of mutual funds and other things to choose from, and then you can self-direct and pick which ones you want. But that's not self-direction, is it? No, you know from watching this channel that having a truly self-directed account lets you buy real estate, for instance, or invest in a business, or lend money out as a private note to someone. You can't do that with your account that's set up with a big bank from Wall Street. You simply can't do it. So follow the money. The reason they don't want you to know about it, the reason it's such a secret, is because Wall Street doesn't want you to know about it. And how do I know this? Well, there's plenty of evidence, right? Just look at their Google ads, look at the amount of money they spend on television ads. But if you've ever tried to leave one of these companies, telling them that you want to do self-direction, they will tell you that you can do it with them and that you shouldn't take your money out. What do I mean? Well, when I was leaving my big day job, I called up Fidelity and I said, "Hey, I need to transfer my account out. I want to get my money out of here so I can put it." And they said, "Why?" And I said, "I want to move it to a self-directed IRA." And they said, "Well, we offer that service." And I said, and I already knew I said, "No, I knew they were going to do this." I said, "No, you don't." Sure we do. You can self-direct with us. I said, "Okay, let me ask you this. You mean to tell me that I can take my money that's sitting in this account here at Fidelity and I can go buy 6 rental properties at, $50,000, $60,000 a pop, 3-bedroom, 1 bath? I can buy those because that's all I do. So I'm going to be able to buy that with you. It's $800 a month in rent and it's going to live inside of your Fidelity retirement account?" Well, no, but you can invest in real estate stocks, like a REIT, like an REIT. I said, no. Then I can't self-direct. Yes, you're going to give me a little bit of a choice on which funds that I can invest in? No. That is not self-direction. What if I wanted to take $50,000 of my account and I wanted to invest in a friend's car wash business and he's going to pay me a certain return every year by being an investor in his company? Can I do that, Fidelity? No, you can't. But you can invest in other companies in stocks? No. So they're going to go to great lengths to keep you from pulling your money out of those accounts and actually moving it into a self-directed account. So that is why when you follow that money, it makes perfect sense. They want you to keep your money there because of the fees that they make every year on your account. The second reason they don't want you to know about this outside form of investing is because they want you to invest in their assets. They don't want you to invest in these higher return assets. If you only knew, right? They're not going to tell you that, hey, if you go and invest in real estate, you're actually probably triple, even quadruple your return of the assets that you're making here with us on Wall Street. 8%, 9% return with a rental property, or 2% return with us. They don't want you to know about that. They're not going to tell you about that. What if you could go in and, again, lend money to an investment pool and you're going to charge them a 6% return to lend out your money? Well, you can't do that in the stock market. You're not going to be able to make those types of returns with their types of funds. Absolutely not. Unless you're lucky, And then also you can see what happens when the stocks crash like they did the other day and drop 1,400 points and you lose $3,000 out of your account overnight for no reason. That's the power of self-direction. You have full checkbook control over where you put your money, by the way. At the end of the day, remember, it's your money that you've earned from your retirement. Another way that Wall Street really crushes these smaller companies is, these companies don't need to spend a lot of money. They don't need to advertise on television. They don't have the money to do that, and they don't have the resources to do that. So Wall Street, runs all of these ads against self-direction. They run all these television ads. They run all these internet ads in order for you to stay in their walls of Wall Street. The companies that we use to set up self-directed IRAs like Sense Financial, they're a great company. A lot of our clients that we work with at Morris Invest use Sense Financial. And I think their fees are so minimal. Like it's, one like setup fee, and then it might be a transaction fee once you invest in something, but it's very, very small. It's like a few $100s compared to the thousands that you pay from having your money managed by some Wall Street firm. It really is just sort of custodian management fees just to set up your account. That's really about it. So again, these smaller companies like Sense Financial or Advanta IRA or any of these other companies, they're small. You probably don't hear a lot about them. That's because these big Wall Street companies love to run ads targeting them. I mean, it's so funny to watch. So this is the stuff that Wall Street doesn't want you to know about self-direction. They want you to keep your money inside their walls where they make the money. They're reaping the benefits while your money is earning a piddly 1 or 2% return. So take control of your money. Think about moving your money out of Wall Street into a self-directed account, a self-directed 401k, a self-directed IRA, and really taking control of your financial future. Don't let Wall Street do it. Get smart. We want to create financial intelligence here on the channel. That's what this channel is all about. You can also download our free Freedom Number cheat sheet. If you haven't already done that, please just visit morrisinvest.com/freedom. You can download it right here. Click on it, and you'll be taken there to download this 3-page PDF. And I hope that it could change your life, as I know that it changed mine once we got our numbers down on paper and we figured out what our expenses were and how many rental properties it would take us to achieve financial freedom. So until next time, everyone, I want you to go out there, take action, become a real estate investor. I believe it's the #1 way to build wealth. We'll see you next time.